Hi, I'm John Yelfini Kalwala. I'm from Kakinada. I have done my B.TECH in Mechanical Engineering. I'm a 2023 pass out. I have done my B.TECH from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Gurjara, Vijayanagara. And coming to my experience at Jspiders, here the faculty performance is outstanding, really. And I have been trained in Java by Kaushik sir and Pavan sir, and I have been trained in Java, Advanced Java by Prem sir. They are really wonderful faculty. Really, I learned a lot. Really, they showed me a different perspective in programming. And coming to the web technology, I have been trained by Reshma ma'am and Geeta ma'am. They also have been an excellent faculty. They also shown me a different perspective in web programming that I I didn't think. And coming to S12, I have been trained by Karishma ma'am, and finally I got placed